Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Tuesday, November 11, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, David. I'm good, thanks. Just a little tired. Yesterday's meeting was long. How about you?
I'm fine. This coffee wakes me up. Busy day ahead, right?
Yes, always. Did you catch any news this week? I saw some big stories.
Oh, yeah. I did. Let's talk about that economy news first. The Wall Street Journal had an article on November 8th. The Federal Reserve kept interest rates the same. No change at 4.75 to 5%.
I read that too. It's a hot topic. People argue about it a lot.
Totally. Inflation is still high, they say, but no cut means loans stay expensive.
Right? For projects, it hits hard. Our budget for new tools might shrink.
In sales, it's worse. Customers think twice before buying big items, like new software or machines.
The article mentions debates in Congress. Some want lower rates to boost jobs.
Yeah, billions of dollars in business loans affected. If rates drop, sales go up.
But the Fed worries about prices rising more. It's a balance.
True. I hope they cut soon. Makes my job easier. Pass the milk?
Here you go. Anyway, that tech story next. The New York Times on November 7 about the EU new data privacy law.
I saw it. Stricter rules for companies. Must get clear permission to use customer data.
Controversial, big tech like Google fights it. Says it slows down work.
In our office, we share data for reports. This means more checks.
As project manager, I plan for it. New software to keep data safe.
The story says fines up to 4% of company sales. That's huge.
Yes. Europe wants to protect people. No more selling data without asking.
Smart, but annoying for sales teams. We need data to find leads.
We can adapt. Train the team on new rules. It's coming soon?
Hope so. Last week, our IT guy warned about it.
Good point. Coffee's strong today. Now that entertainment news.
The Washington Post on November 9. Netflix and Amazon make a deal. They team up for new shows.
Yeah, exclusive content together. But actors are mad.
Unions complain. Say pay is too low for the work.
It's society stuff. Fair wages matter. Hollywood needs change.
In business, we use streaming for team events. If strikes happen, no new movies.
The article talks about possible delays. Big films on hold.
Bummer. I watch Netflix after long days. Relaxes me.
Me too, but support the workers. They create the fun.
Agree. Relates to our office. We want fair pay here too.
Exactly. Good talk. Time to start work?
Yes. See you later. Have a good day.
You too, bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.